because these doors needed so much repair work and filler and so much sanding. Some areas were bare wood showing, some was just flattened out old paint. So we went ahead and did 2 coats of a sealer primer on these, and then sanded it to smoothen out the primer to get it ready for the top coat, which is going to be black Miller acrynamel. So that'll be the next step. Let's turn these over to Jody for putting on the black paint, and then these doors will be restored and ready to be installed. Then its partner, the other French door, is going to need the same treatment. We pretty much got the prep done, the filling done, and the sanding done, and this one's going to need its primer and sanding prior to the color coat as well. Whenever possible, we like to paint the doors when they're flat like this. It's just a lot easier to cut in and roll these out. And we have a little trick that we came up with for being able to paint one side and then flip it over immediately and then paint the other side so both sides can be drying at the same time. I take some standard 3.5-inch deck screws and I just come in at the top. I run it in about 1 inch. I take another one and then I do the same thing on the bottom of the door. Some of these holes don't match up very good, so I'm going to fill the holes that don't match up well with a dowel, and then we can re-drill those to be centered. So we've got this door here, that's the one that goes on the left. We got that one restored. I had to re-drill holes for the hinges. This door's all painted and ready to go. And we've got the trim, the jambs and the trim built. And we got that all painted out. And we've got this side done, although this side does need some paint. It's got spot prime on my filler for my nail holes, so we got to kind of finish that. Last week we got these the jambs all mortised out and everything. So today we actually get to install these doors, put them back where they go, put doorknobs on, the little bolt that goes up at the top on the left-hand side door that keeps that one stationary.
Foam on there. Okay, so
Put it in between the, yeah.
Or move it back towards you so it's on the rug too.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna lift it up.
Okay, lift. Just to keep it.
I think it's heavier than it looks, huh?
Yeah, it's a monster.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna trade you spots.
Yeah.
So you can do
that thing.
and wait a minute, we have it upside down.
Oh.
I think we need another cup of coffee.
I think you're right.
I think we're a couple of airheads. Okay.
I would have been, oh crap, the hinges don't line up.
Okay.
No, let's
Okay,
pick it
let's-
up and
okay,
I'll
let-
go that way. And you go this way and I'll
Okay.
spin around.
We'll do that. Okay, we'll do that thing. Okay, go back a little farther just so it's on the rug when we tip it. There we go.
All right.
Okay, let's try it again. Take two.
Take
Okay, and we want to watch out for
the
the
piano.
piano. Okay, I'll move, I'll trade, let's do this again. I'll trade sides so you can get it up on there.
I need to make sure the hinges are folded back.
Okay, the right way? Okay, yeah. It's okay, touch up. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and give it a close. All right, let's get that other one going. got these French doors restored, we got them reinstalled, and we're pretty happy with the way they came out. They don't look perfect, but they look really nice, and it's kind of cool that we could take something that was originally in this house and restore it into something that's nice, even though they were really, really rough before. And got the trim all done, got all the hardware done, so we're calling this finished. And next week we're going to be showing, kind of decorating this room. We got cleanup to do, we got some furniture to move around, and we can kind of show you what the living spaces look like once we're done putting everything back together. So, you know, if you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment. Do you like the black paint with the white trim? Do you hate it? Why don't you tell us what you think? If you enjoy our content, why don't you think about subscribing? We upload every week, so we've got a lot of work to do here. We still got a full kitchen remodel to do. We'd love to have you guys follow along in our little journey, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.